In this support video, we will be replacing the LED light transformer for the models listed below. Start by removing the screws of the back panel. Now remove the splash guard and back panel. The light transformer is located at the bottom of the unit. With your new transformer in hand, plug in the wires in the proper place. Next is to remove the 4 screws holding the old transformer. You may need to remove the bolt and screws from the new transformer. Place the new transformer into position and fasten the screws. The installation is now complete.